Hello guys, today I have the CMF Buds 1 by Nothing, and I'm going to show you how you can easily enable ANC and Transparency via gestures in these earbuds. So as you can see here, you have an application. At first, scroll down to the controls. The application is called NothingX, by the way. Here, as you can see, the default control value for net control is tap and hold for both left and right earbuds. Let me quickly disable the in-ear detection. And now, here, let me take both earbuds out of the case. Tap and hold to change for the ANC, for example. Transparency, ANC. Transparency, ANC. That's how it works. Goodbye.